You ready to eat some yum-yums? Huh, baby? Look at you on your new high chair. Lola got you. Ready? Irenie? I don't know. That's yummy, huh, baby? Oh, so yummy. That's delicious, baby. Let's wipe your face. Keep it too. That's so yummy. All right, let's try the green beans. We gotta have vegetables too, huh, baby? Yummy. Chew it up good. Did you just swallow it? Okay. Is that good, baby? Is that yummy? Ready for a bite? Yummy. That's so delicious. Is that your first time on the hot chair, baby? Yeah. All right, I guess you're ready for a bite. Let's get another vegetable. Yummy. What do you think of that, green beans? That's delicious. Did you just swallow that? Ready? Oh, yummy. That's some yummy stuff. Huh? Let's wipe your face. Is that good? Is that good, my little princess? Irenie? Okay, let's get a vegetable. Green beans time. That's my good baby. She loves her vegetables, huh? Yes, she does. She's just swallowing it. Okay, there's that. Yum, 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 yum. Ow, is that good? Say bye. I'll see you later. Bye. That's a good girl.